Riverton Locksmiths. Emergency auto, residential, commercial locksmithing. Located in Riverton, Utah. We are here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Fast mobile locksmith services. 10 to 15 minutes arrival time. Call us now. We're open 24 hours. We are the fastest locksmiths in Riverton and Bluffdale, Utah. For our surrounding area customers, 20 minutes arrival time. We are fast and local. And the best part is, we guarantee happy customers. These are some of our services. Auto services. Residential services. Business services. Only 10 to 15 minutes, and we will be there. And remember, we guarantee happy customers. Have any questions? We are open 24 hours. Call now.